Welcome to this 2017 custom-built home in the MDF Foothills. We're just 7 minutes from Okotoks, where you have prairie, mountain, and the Town of Okotoks views. Come take a look. There are endless upgrades in this elegant modern home, including 4 bedrooms upstairs and a walkout basement. Not only do you get to enjoy 3.7 acres, but the yard is all artificial turf and a massive sports court to enjoy. This 40 by 60 shop has endless possibilities. It's currently set up with a full home gym, income suite, extra parking, or a dream work from home space.